In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually find the viruses on your phone and delete them, okay? This will work for Android phones. The first thing that you want to do is to go to our settings app. I want you to follow every step here so you don't make any mistake, okay? Now, after locating the settings app, now look for apps, okay? Under settings. Or you can just search if you cannot see the word apps and just tap search like that. Okay, then you will see the place for apps. Okay, just give it some time, don't rush the process. Okay, now what I want you to do here is very simple. The first thing that you will do is tap on clean up to remove any junk file. Okay, if you don't see that, don't worry, I'll guide you on other options that you can use on your phone. Okay, now that is been cleaned. Perfect. Now click on the arrow back button. Just tap later. Click on the arrow back button. Now under these apps, you will look for apps that you do not remember installing on your phone. Those are the likely suspects on your phone that are acting as viruses. Now just look for, but do not bother on apps that came with your phone. Things like Android system intelligence, this came with the phone. Okay, now just look for apps that you did not install. Those are the kind of apps that are your viruses on your phone. Okay, just look. Okay, currently my phone is clean. I don't remember any app that I did not install here. Now that is the first step. Now click on the arrow back button, go to your home screen. Okay, now by doing that, you already identify that you are safe. Okay, now let us go to another part. Click on the Chrome browser. Okay, now after clicking on the Chrome browser, tap on the three dots to the right. Okay, then click on settings. Okay, be very keen here so you don't make any mistake. Okay, then I want to look for a place called privacy. Now mine is here at the top, privacy and security. Okay, that is very clear. Then you will want to clear your browsing data. Okay, you want to clear browsing data, specifically your cookies. These are the kind of things that hold information that can be linked with viruses. Now when you see cookies and site data, when you click on delete data, you'll be able to clear cookies and cache on your phone and be safe. Okay, then after doing that, just click on the arrow back button. Then I want you to click on your home screen, then locate Play Store. Okay, then tap your profile icon. Okay, that's very simple. Okay, then what you want to do here is to look for Play Protect. Okay, look for Play Protect, this one here. Then you can run a scan. Tap on run a scan. Now it's currently scanning. You just give it some time. Do not be in a hurry or in a rush. Okay, now you can see no harmful apps have been found on my phone. Now I'm very sure that there is no virus in this phone. So that is how you handle that process. Thank you guys for watching this far. Please remember to like it and subscribe to my channel for more tips like this, because this really motivates me and helps me bring you more helpful content. Until next time, peace out.